Crypto bull markets are rife with opportunity. Everyone knows this, but few know how to scan for the best altcoin setups and extract as much value as possible from these markets. If this applies to you, this changes today. If you're new here, my name is ONF. I've been in the crypto markets for 8 years, have dedicated tens of thousands of hours to mastering the craft of trading, and today I'm going to show you how to scan the markets for elite level setups, discover time-saving hacks, and have you maximize your potential as a trader through aggressively trending conditions. We're going to start things off with which markets to focus on, go through a bunch of adapted charts, run through the setups you should be looking for, and give you a fully structured approach to scanning for the best altcoin setups. By the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped with a bulletproof and most importantly, simple strategy to tackle these conditions. Let's get into it. We're going to kick things off by talking about context. In heavily trending markets, you should only, and I repeat, only be focusing on the most directional markets. This means focusing on the strongest markets in bullish conditions and the weakest markets in bearish conditions. This is the first and most important rule, and one where most trip up. They see something very oversold, below value, or what they deem as a good steal, and decide that because it's got a good reversal setup in place, such as a bullish divergence or a tap down to support, they should long these markets. This is completely the wrong way to approach these conditions. Instead, focus on strength and coins that are running within the most popular hype narratives. Don't be scared to long something that's already up a lot if it gives you the right continuation-based setup. And don't worry, we'll cover these shortly. Now, we're going to take a look at two methods of scanning the markets. One much faster, the other more comprehensive. We'll start with the fast method, which is overlays. Overlay charts look like this, and to set them up, you simply have to go to TradingView, open up any market, switch over to line chart, click this button here, and then just add as many markets as you want to overlay on top of one another. I'd recommend having two of these charts, one with a full list of altcoins and another coins you deem as hot topics, being new listings, say anything that launched within the last 6 to 12 months, and coins within sectors that are generating a lot of hype and attention. This makes it easy for you to see at a glance what the strongest markets are on the day. You can then flip over to a regular candlestick chart for those markets and scan for any setups. What this will present you with is many trades that look like this. And I want to stress a point. Many people see these and don't take them as they think it's too easy. And if it were, everyone would be trading. The truth is, it can be this easy. You just have to understand the context in which it is that easy, which are rare times when the markets are hyper-directional. The reason people say these are too easy is that these conditions present themselves 10% of the time or less, and they try to use these simple pattern-based approaches 100% of the time. When the market is very directional, it goes in easy mode. Understand this and don't overcomplicate it. The next method is manual scanning. For this, I recommend scanning the daily and then the hourly. The daily will give you higher time frame levels and zones, and the hourly a more granular insight to snipe tighter trades. Personally, I do most of my business on the 1 hour. Simply breeze through this by tapping the spacebar. This is important to do in conjunction with overlays, as setups such as horizontal breakouts will rarely stand out on the overlays, and we need to monitor these developing in plain form charts. Our approach here is simply setting alerts. We can do so either to the downside or to the upside. When setting alerts to the downside, we're looking for support levels, demand zones, and key lows that could be swept, otherwise known as swing failures. When setting alerts to the upside, we're looking for breakouts, either horizontal or diagonal. Our preference in these conditions, again, is plays to the upside as we're focusing on strength. Breakout trades are incredibly profitable, have fast playouts, and contrary to what most think, are very easy trades to take. The issue is, most don't tackle them with the right framework. But don't worry, I've got a full masterclass for you here that will cover every base, leave no secrets on the table, and have you go from a novice to a breakout trading pro so you can tackle the markets with a stress-tested edge. So what are you waiting for? Click here and up your game.